Sa Australia man ko gikan, pero dugan ako din sa Pilipinas. Alright, today we are going on the Lombok River cruise. We're gonna have Lubok. Whoa!
So cool.
This is where we get on the boat, that's right. You're 3 feet. There's 4 feet. You're 3 feet tall. There you go. There you go, buddy. Go. Walk, 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 walk. Very good. Here we go, about to jump on the boat. This boat is awesome. Oh, we got it's a coconut shake. Woohoo! Mommy's got food too. Nacho's got some food. Yay! But the boat's moving. Woohoo! Yay! Is the food good? When we get to the end, we're gonna see the tribal dances. Nitro, we made it to the dancers, look! Oh, you see that? He breathed the fire. Hey. Hey, you have magic power.
Alright, so madam guys, we're Ati Tribe of Bohol. So these guys came from the island of Panayan Tiki and they arrived here in Loy Bohol since 1970. And settled for good and they're one of the distinguished tribe of the Philippines. So we're great for a while, you can do that.
Alright buddy, let's go. We're gonna see the Ati tribe do the dances. And they breathe the fire too. You saw that? Hey, that's so cool. Mang hapon bay? Kamusta? Salamat kayo. Bisaya lagi. Whoa, what's that? You wanna get it? Salamat. Sige, sulot, sulot. Ah, sige. Ana namin. Ang bibi. Sean, ako be. My head. No. Okay. Ah, sige. Oh. Bossing. Okay na, buhay pa man. Oh, salamat kayo. Oh, you want a spear? Whoa, not sure you're a soldier.
No, we're not gonna fight.
Ay, malang-malang.
Waray pakabot. Ah.
Galan daw diay mo sa vlog.
Oh, dami din.
Nag-Facebook diya ang Ati Tribe. Kanindot. Sa'yo mga labay? Andrel, tapos?
Darwin.
Darwin. Picture ta? Picture ta sa ila.
Asa ka gikan? Pangutan natin. Where is the country, sir?
Sa Australia man ko gikan, pero dugan ako din sa Pilipinas. Lagi. Look at the big monkey statue. Wow. Nindot kayo. Alright, that was a cool boat trip. Nitro's got a little bow and arrow, don't you, buddy? You got a bow and arrow, hey! You're an Ati Tribe boy. Yes, Ati boy. Tinikling, galing Leyte yung dance na yan. Right now, Shanta and I are gonna get a fridge magnet for the photo we got with the Ati Tribe, diba? Ano? Oh, Ana, let's have a look at it. Whoa, cool. 150 lang. Salamat! Alright, mommy will dance. Go, mommy. Go, dance, mommy. Go. Go, 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 go. Leitenya. That's your Leitenya coming out.
Oh, sure po. Picture na! Picture! Ikaw po! Ako po! Wow! Ako'y nauwahi. Bitaw. Ayun, this
Nami diri karon sa museum diri sa Baclayon. Oh, Nitro, what's in there? Let's go inside. Come on, mommy's in there. Go. Whoa. So cool, hey, Nitro? Oh, look. That's what it looks like from the outside. The oldest coral stone church in the region. One of the oldest in Asia. Wow. Oh, it's Jesus, Nitro. Look, it's Jesus. Oh. Flores de Mayo. Oh, it's a big church, Nigel. It's a big church, hey? Oh, it's one of the oldest in Asia. Wow. You scared? Don't be scared. And then you grab it like that. So don't touch the rope, okay? You should keep your just 2 fingers in your thumb. So like that. Yep, like that. And now pull it back.
Okay.
Pull it back. Now you let it go.
No.
Let it go. Let it go. Let go. Let go.
No.
Do it. Let it go now. Let it go. Let go. Yeah, that's how you do it. See? Very good. Alright guys, that is our Bohol trip done. Tapos na. Yeah, we saw the Ati Tribe. I got a bow and arrow. He's learning archery. Char. So we will see you sa sunod na video natin. Bye-bye. Amping dia mga bisdak.
Introducing Shantado.
Hey, yo, check my flow. It's time for the Shanta Dope Show. Check out my grills, girl.